But I will also advise
11 months after the Senate considered the National Emergency Health Bill for second reading, the proposed law has now been passed. It mainly seeks to put in place an updated and comprehensive framework for the prevention and control of the outbreak of infectious diseases. The bill is sponsored by Senator Chukwuka Otazi.
The passage of this bill will no doubt ensure timely response to the treatment and prevention of the spread of infectious diseases during the periods of public health emergencies.
Infectious diseases, it is important for us to have a proper prevention mechanism.
to make provisions for the regulating and preventing the introduction into and spread in Nigeria of dangerous infectious diseases and for other related matters. 2022 third reading taken and the bill is passed.
The Nigerian Meteorological Agency Act Repeal and Reenactment Bill was also passed. The bill that seeks to repeal the Public Complaints Commission Act and to reenact the Public Interest Disclosure and Complaints Commission, and the one that seeks to make provisions for the seizure, confiscation, forfeiture and management of properties reasonably suspected to have been derived from unlawful activities, both sponsored by Senator Suleiman Abdul Kwari, passed second reading.
Is to provide for the establishment of a department in the relevant organizations to manage forfeited assets, as well as provide for an effective legal and institutional framework for the recovery and management of proceeds of crime.
This bill will not stand the test of time because it will be very, very subjective.
We need to be very careful, like advise, that we don't pass a bill that will cause more problems for people. But at the same time, we have to pass this kind of bills because we need to sanitize our system.
The Federal Medical Center Onitsha Anambra State Establishment Bill, sponsored by Senator Stella Odua, also passed second reading.
A zone such as this has not a single federal government hospital, not even half.
Will not only be of use to the indigenous people of Onitsha, but the entire people of this country. Because I know that people from all parts of Nigeria go in to Onitsha on a daily basis.
Senate has passed the 2022 budget of the Federal Inland Revenue Service of 215.8 billion naira, with emphasis on the need for the service to deploy modern technology in its operations. Senate began the consideration of a bill that seeks to make it mandatory for bank employees to declare their assets. This is one of the bills that were passed for first reading. From the National Assembly, Ignatius Nkwo, NTA News.